Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by working on one stabilizer at a time. This reduces error and keeps parts organized. First, unplug the keyboard and remove the keycaps for the long keys, then note whether the stabilizer is plate-mounted or PCB-mounted so you know how it anchors. Once done, use a switch puller to remove nearby switches if they block access, and carefully open the case only as necessary. This prevents cable damage and makes the stabilizer accessible for safe removal. You now remove the old stabilizer by gently depressing the housing clips or unscrewing fasteners. Do this slowly because clips can snap. Once the housing is free, pull the wire straight out while supporting the housing with your other hand to avoid deforming the wire. This maintains alignment. After extraction, clean the mounting area and the surrounding PCB or plate to remove old lubricant and debris, and then dry fit the new stabilizer to confirm orientation and seating before you commit to lubrication or final installation. You install the new stabilizer by first applying a thin, even layer of lubricant to the slider and housing pivot points, so travel is smooth and sound is reduced. Then assemble the housings and insert the wire, making sure each end clips into its correct notch. Once seated, reinstall any switches and keycaps, then plug in and test the key repeatedly to confirm even return and no binding. If you still hear rattle, try a touch more lube on the stem or reseat the housing. That usually fixes residual noise.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.